Imagine that you have two powerful shooting tools in your hands that can turn an ordinary moment into a cinematic scene. On the one hand, there is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a miniature camera with a motorized stabilizer that seems designed for smooth frames and perfect pictures. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 13 is a true legend of action shooting that is not afraid of falls, rain, or extreme conditions. Today we'll figure out which camera is best for you, whether you're a traveler, blogger, athlete, or just a fan of cool shots. This will be an honest and detailed comparison of the two flagships of the portable camera world. And now let's get started. Let's look at the design and ergonomics. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a compact device with a vertical body orientation, a built-in 3-axis stabilizer, and a touchscreen. The camera feels like a mini gimbal that fits easily in your pocket. You can get this device out and start shooting in just a couple of seconds. It is ideal for those who want the lightest, most convenient, and at the same time professional camera for everyday shooting. The GoPro Hero 13 is a classic rectangular case with a lens on the front and a large display on the back. There is also a front screen for selfies and vlogs. The camera does not need a gimbal because the stabilization is built in digitally, and this is one of its main advantages. It is more brutal. Its body is protected from water, dust, and impacts. In terms of ease of use, much depends on the shooting style. Osmo Pocket wins in lightness and invisibility, while GoPro wins in durability and versatility. Now let's move on to the display and control. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is equipped with an improved high-resolution touchscreen, which provides a clear picture when cropping and watching videos. The controls have become more intuitive. Swipes and touches work quickly, and the interface is thought out to the smallest detail. You can connect a smartphone, but now it is no longer necessary. The camera is completely autonomous. The GoPro Hero 13 also has a large rear touchscreen and an additional front-facing display, which is especially convenient for vloggers. The GoPro menu is familiar to fans of action cameras. Everything is logical, although the touchscreen is not always ideal in the cold or with gloves. Nevertheless, GoPro allows you to quickly switch between modes, which is critical in active shooting. Image quality is perhaps the key point. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has received a new sensor with a resolution of 1 inch, improved photosensitivity and optics that provide a clean, detailed picture even in low light conditions. This is a huge step forward compared to previous generations. Thanks to optical stabilization and mechanical gimbal, the picture looks cinematic, smooth, and stable even when shooting on the go. GoPro Hero 13 continues to develop hyper-smooth digital stabilization, which is impressive even in extreme conditions. Up to 5.3K resolution with high frame rate, excellent detail, and rich colors make it a favorite for shooting sports and outdoor activities. The new modes have improved dynamics, HDR, and night shooting. Unlike the Osmo Pocket, GoPro makes a more contrasting and bright picture, which many people like without additional post-processing. Sound. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has improved microphones and intelligent noise reduction, making the voice clearer and more intelligible even in noisy environments. It is possible to connect external microphones for more professional sound. The GoPro Hero 13 also received an updated microphone system, improved wind protection, and support for external sound accessories. However, due to the form factor and moisture protection, the sound on the GoPro is slightly more muffled if you do not use additional microphones. In terms of stabilization, both cameras are unique in their own way. The Osmo Pocket 4 benefits from a mechanical gimbal. Its smoothness of movement is impressive. Even when walking fast, the footage looks like it was shot with a professional stabilizer. The GoPro Hero 13 is striking in that the hyper-smooth stabilization handles shaking and vibration without mechanics. It's great for cycling and moto shooting, running and jumping, while Osmo does a better job of walking, traveling, and vlogging. Autonomy is an important factor for travelers. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 runs for up to 3 hours on average when shooting in 4K. And with the power bank, you can extend the shooting significantly longer. The GoPro Hero 13 works for about 1.5 to 2 hours when shooting in 5.3K, depending on the conditions, but thanks to removable batteries, its autonomy is easily extended. For long-term adventures, GoPro is more flexible. Water resistance is one of the key differences. The GoPro Hero 13 is waterproof up to 10 meters without a box, and even deeper with an additional box. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 requires a special case for diving, as it is not waterproof in itself. This immediately determines the scope of application. If you often shoot at sea, in the pool, or in extreme conditions, GoPro has an advantage. Software and ecosystem. DJI offers a user-friendly application for fast file transfer, editing, and setting shooting modes. Especially powerful features of automatic stabilization, face tracking, and AI composition. Osmo Pocket 4 can literally follow an object and keep it in the frame. GoPro has a quick application, which has also become very convenient. It allows you to mount videos literally on the go, add effects, and share on social networks. Hero 13 also has improved Wi-Fi connectivity, which speeds up video export. As for accessories, both cameras have a wide ecosystem, but GoPro has a much larger one. Mounts, cases, adapters, and all kinds of modifications. DJI relies on a neat, thoughtful set of accessories, while GoPro is designed for extreme conditions and customization. When shooting in motion, the GoPro gives you more freedom, while the Osmo Pocket gives you more cinematography. Speaking of user experience, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is almost the perfect solution for travel bloggers, urban shoots, family events, and smooth shots. It is light, comfortable, and gives a very high-quality picture. GoPro Hero 13 is a tool for athletes, travelers, and anyone who wants a reliable camera that can withstand any conditions and at the same time produce vivid, rich video. Price and positioning. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 costs slightly more than the basic GoPro version, due to the presence of a mechanical stabilizer and improved optics. The GoPro Hero 13 provides excellent value for money for action shooting, especially considering its durability and wide ecosystem. The final comparison. If you want to shoot smooth, professional shots, travel blogs, and don't plan on submerging your camera underwater, the Osmo Pocket 4 is the perfect choice. It is compact, convenient, and gives you a picture that you're not ashamed to use even in professional projects. If you live an active life, shoot sports, nature, hiking, and extreme adventures, the GoPro Hero 13 will become your reliable companion. It is versatile, durable, and allows you not to think about the weather or falls. Both cameras are excellent representatives of their classes. They just solve different tasks. DJI is about smoothness, precision, and aesthetics. GoPro is about endurance, drive, and energy of movement. Choosing between them is a choice of shooting style and what kind of shots you want to get.